Okay. So, you know what are connectors? Hello. Have you studied
Ma'am,
history?
the
Yes,
word
ma'am.
or ma'am, the
Yes,
words
ma'am.
that join two
Word that
words or phases.
That this topic is there in your syllabus. So, connectors, linkers, conjunctions, all means the same. All are joining words. So, what are they? They are joining words. Joining words. They join words, two words or two sentences. They join two words, clauses, clause दो clause को भी join करता है और sentences. Is it clear? Conjunctions are joining words. So you can note all these things in your copy. So some connectors are used for adding information. So connectors that are used for adding information, what are the example of connectors? Furthermore, in addition, moreover, ये तीन जो कनेक्टर है वो आगे इंफॉर्मेशन एडिंग इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए यूज होता है. These furthermore, in addition, moreover, these three are used for adding information. You write a sentence and you want to add something more, then you will use either furthermore, in addition, moreover. He is, जैसे कि he is an honest man, moreover he, अब हमको इसमें वो एक honest man है, इसमें और information जोड़ना है. He is also hardworking. He is an honest man, moreover he is also hardworking. So for adding information, you use these three words: furthermore, in addition, moreover. Then for expressing similarity, in the same way, similarly, in the same way, similarly, in the same way, similarly. So for adding information, for expressing similarity, you use in the same way, similarly. Then expressing difference, अगर अंतर express करना. Can you hear me, all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen is visible to all of you? So समानता express करने के लिए, in the same way, similarly, you use these two words. Then for expressing difference, you use while, whereas, but, instead, or. अगर दो चीज बिल्कुल अलग है, जैसे कि he is fat, डिफरेंस क्या, he is fat but his sister is thin, अलग, दोनों अलग है ना, डिफरेंस is thin. सिमिलैरिटी के लिए सिमिलरली यूज हुआ है, जैसे कि his father is honest, similarly his mother is also honest. तो ये समानता हो गया. Can you understand the difference? His father is honest, similarly his mother is also honest. लागै छै सर. Similarly his mother, his father is honest, similarly his mother is also honest. So here for similarly, for expressing similarity, you are using similarly, or you can also use in the same way. But for expressing difference, क्या use कर रहे हैं हम? But. You can use while also to express difference. जैसे कि he uh, he was doing his homework while his sister was playing. तो ये भी अंतर है, वो होमवर्क कर रहा था लेकिन उसकी सिस्टर जो है वो he was doing his homework while his sister was playing. So this is also difference, both are doing different work. Both are doing different work, so you are using while. Is it clear? Whereas is also used for expressing difference. He is honest whereas his brother is dishonest. दोनों अलग हैं, एक honest है, instead. Instead also you can use for difference, or also for difference. Then expressing purpose. Expressing purpose. एक्सप्रेसिंग पर्पस के लिए क्या क्या यूज हो रहा है? सो दैट, अदरवाइज, इन ऑर्डर टू, इन केस, फॉर. सो यू कैन यूज ऑल. जैसे कि वी ईट सो दैट वी मे लिव. व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ ईटिंग? सो दैट वी मे live. So this is a purpose. The purpose of eating is live.
मम्मी
Hello, can you hear?
समझ नहीं आया मैं जो अभी बोली.
So can you hear me now? Hello. We eat so that we may live. So it is purpose. Otherwise, work hard, otherwise you will not pass. The purpose of working hard is to pass. Work hard, otherwise you will not pass. फिर in order to भी purpose के लिए use कर सकते हैं. He ran fast in order to win the race. What was the purpose of running fast? He ran fast in order to win the race. So these connect us, so that, otherwise, in order to, in case, for. You can use for expressing purpose. Then showing time: when, after, as soon as soon as. So these connectors are used for time. जैसे कि when it was dark, we came inside. जब, when it was dark, we came inside. Okay. जब we watched TV after finishing our homework. After finishing our homework. So these notes you can write in your copy on connectors, some common connectors and their uses. So I'll send the video in the class group and snap homework. From there you can note it down. Can you
Okay,
hear me,
ma'am.
all of you? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So we can do some exercises. और भी है connectors. These were some common ones. Or what will you write? What connector you will use in this?
Ma'am, as.
As, okay. Or when you can also use, when it started raining, as भी use कर सकते हो. हाँ? What will you use in this?
So that.
So that, yes. So that I may board the train. What will you write in this?
But,
Whereas.
ma'am, but
whereas इसमें देखो तीन कनेक्टर यूज कर सकते हो, while भी यूज कर सकते हो, but भी यूज
Yes,
कर
ma'am.
सकते हो. तीनों में से कोई भी, you can use any one. All the three are correct. It's clear. Then there are some connectors which are used in pairs. Huh? Do you know about connectors which are neither nor? You know the use of neither nor?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
They are used in pairs, and neither nor is used to join two negative sentences. Two negative sentences. What is the meaning of neither nor? None of the two. It means
None of.
none of the two.
None of the two.
yes. जैसे कि he did not come, he did not send a message.
He neither came nor sent a message.
Yes, Advit, your answer is correct. He neither came. So here you see, sorry. Yeah,
You neither try nor then.
not यहाँ did not. ये देखो, ये दोनों नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है. यहाँ भी डिड नॉट है, ये नेगेटिव है, और यहाँ भी डिड नॉट है. तो neither nor is used to join two negative sentences. It means none of the two. So he neither came nor. Here we are using the past tense of the verb. Why? Because
Sent.
here you have did not. So with did not you are using come, but when you remove the did not, you will use the past tense. ये verb का past यहाँ came, nor sent a letter. So you have to remember this, that when you are removing the did not, you will use the past form of the verb. Did not, he neither came nor sent a message. So you now either or. Either or means any of the two. Either or means any of the two. इसी पैटर्न पे. So how will you join this? Either he or his brother has come. Either he or his brother has come. Is it clear? How to join? Either or. Neither nor means neither of the two. दोनों में से कोई नहीं. Either or means दोनों में से कोई एक. Any of the two. And these two are used in pairs. Not only but also. This is also used in pairs. But also this also is used in pairs. He is not only honest but also hardworking. So these are used in pairs at different points in the sentence. He is not only honest but also hardworking. So these are connectors which appear in pairs. Both and are also used in pairs. Both he and his brother have got good marks. Both he and his brother have got good marks. So it's clear to you? Some common then there are conditional connectors. Conditional connectors भी होते हैं. Conditional connectors में if or unless. If, unless, these two are also connectors. Conditionals. Shart. If you are careless, you may commit mistakes. Is it clear? Huh? So
Yes, ma'am.
Unless is used in negative sentences. Remember this. In negative sentences, you use unless. जैसे कि unless you work hard, you cannot pass. Unless you work hard, you cannot pass. So both are conditionals, but you have to remember if is used in positive sentences and unless is used in negative sentences. यहाँ cannot है ना, तो negative हो गया. हाँ, तो जैसे अगर इसी को positive, the same sentence if you make it positive, then you will use the the conditional connector if. If you work hard, you can pass. So you understand the meaning? If you work hard, you can pass. So these are some of the common connectors. There are more, but those are very common. You must have. Okay. Now we'll do some connectors. Is clear to all of you? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
चलो एक बार फिर से रिवाइज कर लेते हैं हम लोग अपना connectors. For adding information, you can add connectors like furthermore, in addition, or moreover. He grows, जैसे कि he grows tomatoes in his gardens. In addition, he grows tomatoes in his garden. In addition, he also grows brinjals, isn't it? So for adding information, you can use in addition, moreover, furthermore. Then expressing similarity in the same way, similarly. He works hard in the same way his brother also works hard. Both are hardworking. Then expressing difference. कोई भी चीज में अगर दो चीज बिल्कुल भिन्न है, अलग है, then you can use while, whereas, but, instead, or. Then for expressing purpose, so that, otherwise, in order to, in case, and for. He came inside, for it had started raining. So then for time conjunctions are very easy to understand. When, matlab jab, after, baad, as soon as. As soon as also you use in the same way. As soon as it became cloudy, it started raining. As soon as it became cloudy, it started raining. So my voice is audible to all of you? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So as soon as it became cloudy,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
as soon as it became cloudy, it started raining. So this is also a time connector. So these are, then we studied either or, neither nor for two negative sentences. And you have to keep in mind that when you are joining, you will use the past tense of the verb. As come is there in the sentence, but when you are joining it, you will use the verb came, because you are removing the did not. And then either or, any of the two, he has come, his brother has come, either he or his brother has come. And not only, but also. He is not only honest, but also hardworking. Then both he and his brother have got good marks. Then conditional connectors. Condition मतलब क्या? शर्त, अगर. Conditional means शर्त. If you are careless, you may commit mistakes. Unless you work hard, you cannot pass. So these unless used for negative sentences. So now you do the first rearranging you do. I told you yesterday that
Life is the
exercises that you
Life is a precious
Life is
gift
a
God
precious
from God to us.
Give
Ma'am, a precious gift from God to us is life.
And life is a precious gift to us from God.
Uh, Life is a precious gift to us from God. This is the correct answer. Meaningful.
Yes, ma'am.
So, for the first one, what is the correct answer? Life is a precious gift to us from God. Life is a precious gift to us from God.
God.
Okay. Then
We should be
thankful.
We
thankful
should
to
be
Should be
God for
thankful to
it.
thankful
God
for
for
God.
it.
To God for it.
Yes. Shreyasi, you tell the answer. In chorus, it is very confusing so that everyone can hear. Shreyasi,
Yes, ma'am.
you know the
We,
answer?
we should be, yes, ma'am. We should be thankful to God for it.
Yes. Now all of you can hear it. We should be thankful to God for it. We should be thankful to God for it. God, some remember only people distressed.
Only some people
number
remember God in distress.
Some people remember God only in distress.
Some people
Only
remember
some people
in
Some
distress.
people
remember God
Tell
in
you,
distress.
I will tell you the meaning of distress. Then you, one student gave me the correct answer. Advit gave the correct
Yes,
answer. I
ma'am.
will tell you the meaning of distress. Distress means sorrow, dukh. Distress means
Ma'am, some people
sorrow.
remember God only
And
in
only
distress.
some people remember the God in distress.
some people remember God.
Anuj, you want to say the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, the answer. Some people remember God only in distress.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Some people remember God only in distress. कुछ लोग जो है भगवान को सिर्फ दुख में याद करते हैं. Some people remember God only in distress. Distress means sorrow. Misery, sorrow, distress, sadness. All these are synonyms. Misery also you studied in some chapter. Some people remember, कुछ लोग जो है भगवान को सिर्फ दुख में याद करते हैं. Some people remember God only in distress. So to be able to do the jumbled words, you should know the meanings of all the words. Only in distress. That is why I keep on stressing on vocabulary, that from every chapter learn at least 10 to 20 words. Then what will be the answer of D?
Ma'am,
Some do not
unfortunately,
Okay, wait, I
some
will
do not
believe
call
in
out the
God,
name. Don't
unfortunately.
answer in chorus. I will call out the name and then you can answer. Pragya, you say the answer.
Unfortunately, some do not believe in God.
Unfortunately, some do not believe
Do
in
not
God. People वैसे होना चाहिए था ज़्यादा, लेकिन चलो. Unfortunately, you know the meaning of unfortunately?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhagyapurna.
Durbhagyapurn.
Bhagyapurn.
Durbhagyapurn.
Fortunate means lucky and unfortunate is the opposite. दुर्भाग्यवश कुछ लोग जो हैं वो भगवान में विश्वास ही नहीं करते हैं. Unfortunately, some do not believe in God. Unfortunately, some do not believe in God. Okay. Then we'll move on to our next exercise. Next, 15th one. The first.
Can I?
Who wants to answer? Shreyasi.
Ma'am, Shreya. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait for a few seconds. Let others also solve it.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Advit.
Yes, ma'am.
Shreyasi asked first, so let us give
Okay,
her
ma'am.
a chance.
Third answer.
Ma'am, the doctor first make a diagnosis of an illness.
The doctor first makes a diagnosis. The doctor first makes
Of an
a diagnosis of an illness. हाँ, पहले डॉक्टर क्या करते हैं? बीमारी को खोजते हैं. First, if you go to the doctor, what is the first step? First, he will find out your illness. Diagnosis
identify
means
the
what?
diseases.
To find out. Diagnosis means to find out. So, because space is less, I will just put numbering. The doctor first makes a diagnosis. तो ये the पहला आ जाएगा हमारा. ये doctor दूसरा, the doctor ये first, फिर makes a diagnosis of an illness. So accordingly, the doctor first makes a diagnosis of an illness. A doctor first. Doctor first. हाँ ठीक है. Then next, who will
Then
answer?
he or she
Then he
decides
or she
what
Then he
kind
or she
of
decides that what
Aditi,
kind
don't-
of treatment is needed.
Wait, don't answer in chorus. No one can hear.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I answer?
Advit,
Ma'am,
Advit,
can I?
Advit, he had,
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am, I
okay,
answer.
Aditya, you will get a chance for the third one. अच्छा, आदित्य को आंसर करने दो. अद्वित, तुमने आंसर किया है. ओके, आदित्य आंसर.
When he or she decides that that what kind of treatment is needed.
Then को तुम शुरू में डालो. Then he or she decide.
Then he or she decides
हाँ, continue.
what kind of treatment is needed.
Yes, correct. So we'll put the numbering. पहला number then. फिर he or she. Third one is decides. Fourth is what. Then fifth is kind. Sixth is of treatment, and seventh is, and eighth is needed. So then he or she decides what kind of treatment is needed. So in these jumble words, you know, all the sentences you'll get will be interlinked mostly. So it will be easy for you if you understand the meaning, then you can easily make it, because sentences are interlinked to each other. Then number C.
Many illness can be treated with
Who
a
wants
course
to
of
answer? Pragya,
medicines.
you want to answer? Pragya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, answer.
Many illness can be treated with a course of medicines.
Uh, yes. Yes. Correct. कुछ बीमारी जो है वो सिर्फ दवाई से ठीक हो जाती है. हाँ, और कुछ में सर्जरी की जरूरत पड़ती है. तो कुछ जो इलनेस है, there are some illness which you can be cured with disease with medicine. So number one is many, number two is illness, number three is can, number four is be, number five is treated with. So this is the numbering. Many illness can be treated with a course of medicines. चलो टाइम भी हमारा हो रहा है. लास्ट वन किसको बोलना है? जल्दी बोल दो.
Ma'am, may I
Can
answer?
I?
I want to answer.
Arpi,
If the case is serious,
Supriya
then
answer. Supriya.
Yes, ma'am.
Supriya.
If the case is serious, the doctor may operate.
Yes. If the case is serious, the doctor may operate. इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. The doctor may operate if the case is serious. Is it clear to all of you? You can
Yes,
do it
ma'am.
in either way.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
the case is serious, the doctor may operate, or the doctor may operate if the case is serious. Okay. So it's 10:42. Our class ends here. When I send the video in the group or snap homework, you can note down the notes on conjunctions. Exercises,
Okay,
if you
ma'am.
have time, you can note down, but notes at least you note it down. Okay, bye all of you. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Yes. All of you, without fail, you note down the connectors notes. What are the important connectors, its uses? Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you don't have any prescribed
Yes, ma'am.
grammar book. आपने देखा सिलेबस में कोई ग्रामर बुक नहीं है. आपको कॉपी मेंटेन करके रखना है कि आप एग्जाम के टाइम में उसको रिवाइज कर सके. इसीलिए उसको पेंडिंग मत रखो. Whenever the topic is taught, within 1 or 2 days you complete your work. Okay, bye all of you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.